This is where comedy comes to life on
What you want?
Some pork the jerky.
Pork or pork? Hold on. Say it, my boss. What am I looking
Oh, Rasta man, you can't think that. If you ever son of a pork. No, you say I real Rasta man. So if you make your son of a pork, brother. Yo, you're not real Rasta man. You don't shut him up, party boy.
Fireball, you sound like an instigator. The eye burn pork fireball. You know what I mean? But the eye son is not a Rasta man. And me are the Rasta man fireball. So if you understand that, don't believe it, no man.
How are you? So what you want to know?
Some more jerky.
You Dave support me, you know. You say jerk, pork. No, me general. You want ketchup or pepper?
You know someone I know?
Make up your mind, man.
Daddy, you want pepper on it?
Yeah. No pepper.
Yeah, you don't know your boy Jnel. Click here to watch another video, or click here to watch our next video again. To watch the last video, click here. Like, share, also subscribe. People, subscribe to my channel. Click right here. Jnel TV.
Bad like haze.